Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review all in one. So I just received a Morphe package, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. I don't know if I said in a video what I bought, but I'm going to open it. The mailman totally destroyed it, so hopefully it was gentle with it, because it literally says on the side of the box somewhere, right here, it's fragile. So, we'll go ahead, cut it open, and I'm extremely excited for this, and I'm so glad I was able to buy this. Because it is just something that I've been wanting forever, and it just came out this year, I think. So, I'm so excited to be doing a review on the Morphe and Morphe X BRETMAN Babe in Paradise highlight palette, and also a fan brush with it, which I don't know if I'm going to use or not, which I might because it is in the palette. So, it says, "Welcome to Highlighter Paradise. Who better than BRETMAN Rock to handpick 6 darling creamy highlighters to suit every Morphe babe under the sun. Beach, please. You've never seen or felt highlighters this bomb before. Pair with our custom fan brush and you're good to glow." Okay. So this is the packaging that it's in, and in the back it shows BRETMAN on the back. It's a really nice packaging, box-wise. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And okay. So, here is the palette itself. Really, really nice packaging. Really, it is not heavy, but it does feel really, really nice. So, and here's the highlighter, or the fan brush. It is really, really soft. That's not what I was expecting. But I am going to keep this part right here, so that way it stays in its shape. So I am going to use this for the highlighting. It is falling apart though. That's one thing I don't like. Okay, so now to show you guys, I'm going to do swatches first on my arm, and then I'm going to pick one and do it as my highlight, because I just finished my makeup, and I'm going to continue it with the highlight palette. Finish highlighting. Woo. So here's the color. It has one of those protective things on them. It says, "Aloha, mahalo for supporting your fave babe in paradise. Growing up on the islands gave me a diverse perspective on life that I want to share with you. I hope this palette captures the essence of paradise beauty." Signed, BRETMAN. So the colors are Baby Girl, Vacation, Mahu, Get Laid, Chihu, which this is from Moana. It's something that Maui says, and then this one's called Shady Bitch. It's the darkest one. So I think for my skin tone and everything, I'm gonna go with Baby Girl. So let's do a swatch of all of them. Let's see if I can. They are really creamy. This is the lightest one, and I do like it a lot about it. Oh wow, that gold one, the Vacation one, that's so pretty. Okay, so here's all of them. You guys can see that. Maybe not. I put them weirdly on my arm, but Nope, still not gonna work. Oh my god. Okay, let's redo them. You just redo them. Do them on the back of my hand, I guess. They are really, really nice and just really, really creamy. And the color payoff is really, really good. You guys can still barely see them after everything. Okay, so there they are on the back of my hand. I have the lightest one ranges to the darkest one. They are really creamy and they blend really, really well. Okay, so the one I'm going to go with is this lightest one. So, I'll open up the lines again. I'm going to go in with the brush. It's like a wooden brush. So I'm going to go in and grab the highlight on the brush, because it's on there, and go ahead and I'm going to definitely use a different brush. I'm going to mix in the gold one with these two right here. Oh my god. Girl. Oh my god. I am very impressed. You guys can like barely see that, so let me do something. These lines. That is just the highlight right here. And then just how it hits the light right here. That's just amazing. So now I'm gonna take the gold one, or the champagne-y gold one, Vacation. I'm gonna highlight my nose with that one. My forehead. And I'm gonna take the light one and do it in my Cupid's bow. Same one on my chin. Now I'm going to take my little brushes, one of my little brushes, right here. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take the lightest color. I'm going to use that as my highlight on my brow bone. I love these shades. I love, love, love them. Just the way that the light hits off it. I'm in love. I'm going to take it on my lid, do the same thing, and use it on my inner corner. Just to finish highlighting everywhere now. I should take the color Mahu, or Mahu, or something. I can't pronounce it. Do that in my inner corner. clean it up a little bit. Okay. So, with that said, this is my new favorite highlight palette, and this comes in a close, I don't know which one's better, the Amrezy one or these shades. I don't know, because this is like more of like a lighter gold, and these ones are more of like darker golds. But I think this comes in a close. This is coming to a close second. No, this is a close second to my Amrezy highlighter, because the Amrezy highlighter is bomb. Like, it is just so good. Alright. Since when? I just had a bobby pin in my hair. Why the heck is my hair so crooked? Look at that! This one. Other side's like that. I'm gonna freak. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my lip now. For my lip, to complete my look, I'm going to be using the Tarte lip paint in this rosy color, I think. I looked it up and it is like a rose color. So it has rose in like the title of it. Okay, so that completes the look. So I really love this palette. It has like the most creamiest and most blendable highlights that I've ever tried. And the packaging of it is just really sleek. It's just simple, and it has a lot going on, and it's really nice. This is about $29, and it does come with the brush itself. After tax, I did use the code for any Morphe purchases that you do decide to make. I used code James, I believe, for 10% off. So I got this for $31 instead of $32. So it doesn't make much difference, but it's just $1 less. But yeah, you can use code James on this, or you can use code Laura for Laura Lee, James Charles or Laura Lee. My babes, my whole heart. So yeah, I love this palette. Now this is like my favorite palette. If I wanted to do something simple, if I just want to do like minimal makeup, this is the palette that I'd grab for in a heartbeat. So that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below telling me if you guys enjoyed. And also, please be sure to leave a comment down below of any products that you guys want me to try out or do a review on, or any video ideas that you guys want me to do that you have. Also, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also please be sure to hit the bell notification so you guys get updates when I upload a new video. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.